As is the practice and ceremonial things, the Honorable Governor would be unfurling the national flag at Goa University ground, Talegaon, tomorrow on 26 January 2024, the Republic Day. The ceremonial function would start at around 8:30 a.m. and it would go on for almost an hour. That is till 9:30 a.m. The ceremonial things, as per the protocol, are being conducted by the Protocol Department of Government of Goa and in association with defense personnel and staff. All the ceremonies, as per the protocol, would be proceeding there. And similar to that, the Raj Bhavan, under the guidance of Honorable Governor of Goa, would be hosting an at-home reception in the evening at the new Darbar Hall. That would start at 5:15, but we request all the invitees who have been extended invitation to be here and come to complete all the formalities and to be seated by 4:45 p.m. so that when the Honorable Governor comes, they are in position. We would be holding or organizing cultural programs, primarily tribal cultural programs, which are Dekni and Golf. This will be of roughly 20 minutes duration, consisting of around 20 members, and interspersed by a recitation of poems by the Honorable Governor himself. As you all know, the Honorable Governor has been a prolific writer, has completed his 200 books also. Some of them are poems. Some of the poems would be recited during the cultural programs at home. And you may be aware that where we are sitting exactly, this old Darbar Hall and the dining room and conference hall was not allowed to be seen by outside as normal. Though Raj Bhavan darshan was being permitted, but they were looking around at some of the structures and facilities within the complex, but not these places. On the historic day of Goa Liberation Day, the Honorable Governor has decided that even these places should be allowed for the general public. So on the first time, on 19 December 2023, during the last Goa Liberation Day, this place was allowed for the general public without any charge, free of charge, we are allowed. And there has been a very good response, I should say tremendous response to this initiative by Raj Bhavan. And the people from different walks of life, including students, could see this Darbar Hall, conference hall, and other places which were not earlier being seen by general public. On similar lines, we will be opening once again these places on 27th and 28th. As I just mentioned, we will be displaying all these books in the very Darbar Hall so that people can have the look at these books.